Good morning, students. So, yesterday we were studying about cubes and cube roots. So, and in that we understood how to find a perfect cube and how to what should be multiplied and what should be divided to get a cube, perfect cube. Now today we shall understand how to find the cube roots, as we have understood everything about means to find square roots of a square number, and in the same way here also you have to find the cube roots from a cube number. Now let us do exercise number 1.2. Exercise 1.2. So what is the first question now? Find the cube roots of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So prime factorization method, we all know how it is done. So I will start from the third one now. Third one. 10648. 648. So now, what is the method? Prime factorization method. So today I will explain you two ways to find the prime factorization method. First, let us do it through prime factorization method. So for that, what you have to find? First of all, you have to find the factors. The last number is 8. It means 2. 2 5s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are. 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 2 6s are, 2 2s are. 2 1s are, 3s are, 3s are, 1s are. So you know 11, 121, 11, 11s are, 11, 1s are. So these are the prime factors of so now 6 4 8. The prime factors of 2 2 2, 11 11 and 11. So now what you have to find? Find the square root, cube root. So how to write it? Cube root of this is like this. You have to write like this. Here also you have to do like this. Now grouping 2 into 11, that is 22. Therefore cube root of 10648 is 22. Now I'll show you the other method, direct method. It is when we know this is a perfect cube, then how to find the direct method. Now let us check it. So what is this number? 10648. 10648. Now what we have to do? So there are one grouping of the last three numbers, 3 digits, and after that if there are one number, so you can keep one number. If it is 2 numbers, you can keep 2 numbers. If it is 3 numbers, you can keep 3 numbers. Now there are 2 groups now. One is 10, another one is 648. So now this number 10 is nearest to which cube? 10 is nearest to which cube? As we know, one cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, and 3 cube is 27. So this is near to 2. Okay, now near to 2 now. Now another group is the 648. In that, what is the last digit here? 2. What is the last digit here? 2. 8. Sorry, last digit is 8. Now you have to tell me for which cube ends with 8. Which cube ends with 8? Now for example, there is a 2 cube is there. So 2 cube means the last digit will be 8. For example, even 12 cube is there. So the last digit will be 2, 8 only. So now here 8 means the number will be 2 only. The number will be 2 only. just write 2. So this will be the cube root of this. So now you got the answer 22. Just remember this. We'll solve many examples and you will come to know it. Now next example now. Third one now. Another number will take. We'll take 15625. 15625. First of all, we find the cube root through prime factorization method. Last number is 5. It means 5. 5 3s are 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 5s are. Okay now. 5 6s are 30. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 5 1s are 1 remaining. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 5 25s are 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 5s are 5 1s are. So now we got the factors now. That is cube root of 15625 is equal to cube root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now group it 3 in a 3. So now 5 taken out, 5 taken out. 5 5s are 25 is the cube root of this number. Now the other way to find the cube root. So first of all, the given number is 15625. First of all, you have to make one group, that is last digit, that is 3 digits. You have to choose one. Another one is this digit. Okay now 15, initial number is 15. Now 15 is nearest to which cube? 15 is nearest to which cube? Again, it is 2 only. Because 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So 15 is near to 2. Okay now. And you just tell me which cube of any number, and the result of that cube will be the last digit of the cube will be 5. What is that number? For example, 5 cube is 125, like that. So now if the last number is 5, the digit will be again 5 only. So you can directly find the value, that is 25. You can directly assume the value of cube. We'll do third one. You will understand it now again. We'll take another one. 13824. 13824. Now this one is 6th one. So now, can anybody directly tell me the cube root of this is what? Now 13 is near to 2. 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. This is near to 2 only. Now last number is 4. What is that number? What is the number, the cube of that number, and that cube will be, the last digit of the number will be 4. What is that number? What will be that number? Just think over it and tell me what will be that number. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So that will be 4 only. Now we got the cube root now. This number, what is the cube root of this number? If cube root of 4 is last 4 number, it will be always 4. So 4 cube. So 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. So the last number will be, last digit will be 4 only. Now the answer, we got it now. Now we will check it through the method of factorization. Now the last number is 4, it means start from 2, 2 6 are 12, 1 remaining, 2 9s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 2 6s are, 2 1s are, 2 7s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are, 2 8s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, to 2s are, to 1s are, to 6s are, to 10s are, to 8s are, to 54s are, to 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Now, the cube root of 1 3 8 2 4. Now this is through prime factorization method. So now how to do it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 into 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 2. 3 times. You can write it simply. You can, if the numbers are more, then you can write 2 3 times. So 2 cube you would write. 2 3 times 2 cube you can write. Again 2 cube you can write 2 cube. This one is 3 cube. In simple way also you can write it like this. Now 2 ones take out, 2 ones take out, 2 ones take out, 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24. So you got the value directly. You can directly assume the value of the cube roots. So you got 24, and after doing so much, and again you got what? And this is through prime factorization method. Another one will do it. One that is seventh one. Double 1 0 5 9. So now initially we'll do it the other method. So again now 3 pair, and now here also 3 pair. Now in each pair it should be maximum of 3 numbers. Maximum of 3 numbers. Okay now. So now this is now. So this 110 is near to which cube? 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 5 cube is 125. So 4 cube we can write, so 4. Now this is 4, now 592. So if the last number is 2, so what is that number? The cube of that number and the ending last digit will be 2. What is that number? What is that number? So that you have to remember always, what will be that number? If you can remember, 8 8 is 64, 8 cube. 8 cube is what? So you need to remember all the cubes. For example, so 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 712, 10 cube is 1000. Now you can see, sorry, this is 729. So the last digit of any number which is, that is 2, that is 8. 2, it means it is 8. So the last digit, so last digit of any cube is, if last digit of any cube is, if it is ending with 2, it means it should be 8. Now the cube root of 110592 is 48. Now let us calculate through the method. Now let us do this method now. Last is to start from 2. 2 5s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 9s are, 2 6s are, 2 2s are, 2 7s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 8s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are, 2 9s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 2 6s are, 2 1s are, 2 7s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are, 2 9s are, 2 8s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 4s are, 3s are, 2s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 2 10s are, 2 8s are, 2 54s are, 2 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So now we can write it as cube root of 110592. So cube root of, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, and 3 cube 1. So you can take out 1, take out 1, take out 1, take out 1, and 1. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 3's are 48. Just see. Through direct method also you can calculate the cube root of any number. You can find out the cube root of any number. Okay, let us do another example. Let us do another example. 175616. Ninth one it is. 175616. So first let us find it directly. Now grouping here it is 1 2. So 175 is near to which cube? So 5 5's are 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216. So 6 cube is more. So 5 cube is okay. Now it is 5 only. So if the last number is 6, just check it which number is 6. Yes, means it is 6 only. Now the answer is 56. The cube root of this number is 56. Now let us find it through prime factorization method. 2's are 2 8's are 2 8's are 16, 2 7's are 2 8's are 0's are 2 8's are 2 4's are 2 3's are 2 9's are 0's are 2 4's are 2 2's are 2 1's are 2 9's are 2 5's are 2 2's are 2 10's are 2 9's are 2 7's are 2 6's are 2 5's are 2 2's are 2 5's are 2 4's are 2 8's are 2 8's are 2 2's are 2 7's are 2 4's are 2 4's are 2 1's are 2 3's are 2 1's are 2 3's are 2 7's are 2 2's are 2 6's are 2 8's are 2 6's are 2 3's are 2 4's are 2 3's are 7. Okay now. 7 4's are 28, 7 9's are 7 7's are 7 1's are. So now these are the factors of this number. These are the factors of this number. Now, so you have to write it now. This method 175616. How many 2's are there? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 3 times 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, and 7 cube. Sorry. So now take out 1 here, take out 2 here, take out 2 here, take out 7 here. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 7's are 56. So just check it. So 56 is the cube root of 1,75,616. So this is the way. So you have to solve these examples. I have left some of the examples for you. So you can do it both the ways. You can do it both the ways. Okay, now first of all, you need to remember all the cube roots, cubes of all the numbers. Minimum up to 10 you will need to remember. Minimum up to 10 you need to remember. Then it is easy to solve you all these questions. Okay, now we'll move to the next question now. Okay, now state true or false. Second question. So you have to say true or false. Cube of any odd number is even. Cube of any odd number is even. Cube of any odd number. For example, if one cube is there, what is the cube of this one? If 3 cube is there, what is the cube of this? 27. What is the cube of 5? So 125. Cube of 7, 343. Cube of 9 is 729. So by looking at this, all these numbers are odd numbers only. All these numbers are odd numbers only. So cube of any odd number is even. So the given thing is the first question is what? False. First one is false. What is the second one? A perfect cube does not end with zeros. A perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. For example, a perfect cube means 10. 10 cube is what? 10 into 10 into 10, that is. So it needs minimum 3 zeros. It needs minimum 3 zeros. It needs minimum 3 zeros. So they have given a perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. Means whatever they have given, that is perfectly right. Means it is true. Perfectly true. Now the third one. If a square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. If a square of a number ends with 5, the square of a number, for example, 5 cube is what? 125. Here it is there. But if it is 15, so it will be difficult. So 15, 225 into 15. 5 5 is the 25, 2, 5 to the 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 1, 5 to the 10, 11. 12. Okay, now. 1 5 is a 5, 1 2 is a 2, 1 2 is a 2. Now you can see here 5, 7, 3, 3. This is 3375. The square, the cube of 15 cube is 3375. Now you can see here, this is 25, okay, but here it is 75. Here it is 75. So, if a square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. It means it is wrong. That is false. So, it may even end with 75 also. Not sure, it could be only 25. Now the fourth question now. There is no perfect cube which ends with 8. So you can, if you can remember, if perfect cube which ends with 8. So you know 2 cube number, 2 cube is 8. Ends with 8 only. So it is. So the question is, if there is no perfect cube which ends with 8. This is also false. Yes, there is a number that ends with 8 only. The cube of 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. For example, the smallest cube is 10. Smallest cube is 10, and the cube of a 2-digit number, this is 2-digit number, okay? Cube of a 2-digit number ends with the cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. Now it is minimum 4-digit number. It should be minimum 4-digit number. They are telling you 3-digit number. So the given thing is what? False. It should be 4-digit, minimum 4-digit it is. The cube of 2-digit number may be 7 or more digits. 7 or more. You can try yourself. Cube of 2 digit, that is 99. If you multiply 99 3 times, so how many digits you get? If the answer, the question is the cube of 2-digit number may be 7 or more digits. 7 or more digits. So the given thing is wrong. It is, again it is wrong. Again it is wrong. Now seventh one. Now the cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. The cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. Yes, it is true. It is true. So now we'll move to the last question, that is third one. You are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Okay, now can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? What is its cube root? Now 1331. So I told you the other method to find the cube root. So now again grouping here. This is near to what? 1. 1 cube is 1 is near to 1 cube only. Now if the last number is 1, it means what? It should be 1 only. The cube root of 1331 is 11. Now the question is, similarly, now without factorization, direct method, can you guess the cube roots of these numbers? What is that? 4913. 4913. So now again grouping here. So 4 is near to what? 2 cube is 8. It should be 1 only. Okay. Now the last number is 3, means what it is? Can anybody tell me? The cube of which number ends with 3? 7. Just remember, just check it through the table. Okay, now again cube of which number is 12161. 12167. Now again group it here. So 12 is near to what? 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So now it is 2 only. If the last number is 7, it means what? The end number is what? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So it should be 3 only. So again the last number, what is that? 32768. Again grouping. 32 is near what? 3 cube is 27. So this is near to 3. Last number is 8, means what? That should be 2 only. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. The last number is 8. In the same way, this 7 is 3 into 3. 9, 9 3s are 27. Here it is 3. 3 means 7 7s are 49. 9 7s are 63. So the correct it is like this. So without calculating also, by regrouping, you can easily calculate the cube roots of any perfect cube through direct method. This is how we can solve the examples that is related to cubes and cube roots. Okay, now. So now this is all about cubes and cube roots, and you can solve as many as examples. So whatever examples left for you, just solve it. And if you are not following those examples, so I will be in the school, or you can post me in the group, and I'll try to help you in this regard. Okay, now this is all about cubes and cube roots, and from tomorrow onwards we will do the next other topic that will be discussed in the next class. Okay, thank you.